everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an accessory that might just be the unsung hero for many Fujitsu ScanSnap S1300i mobile document scanner users. The Omnihil 8FT White 2 USB data cable. If you've ever found yourself wrestling with short cables or worrying about the safety of your valuable scanner, this might be exactly what you need. First off, let's talk about that impressive 8-foot length. For a mobile scanner like the S1300i, having that extra reach is incredibly convenient. It means you're not tethered right next to your computer or power source, offering much more flexibility in where you can set up your scanning station. Whether you're working from a coffee shop, a different desk, or just need to route the cable neatly, those extra feet make a world of difference. It's a high-speed 2 USB cable, which is crucial for efficient data transfer from a document scanner, ensuring your scans move quickly and smoothly to your device without unnecessary delays. Now, what truly sets this Omnihil cable apart, especially as a third-party, non-OEM part, are its robust protection features. We're talking about OVP, OCP, and SCP protection. For those unfamiliar, OVP stands for Over Voltage Output Protection, OCP for Over Current Output Protection, and SCP for Short Circuit Output Protection. In plain language, this cable is designed to safeguard your Fujitsu ScanSnap S1300i and the device it's connected to from potential electrical mishaps. This is a huge peace of mind factor, knowing that your expensive scanner is protected against unexpected power surges or short circuits, which can be a real concern with generic cables. And if that wasn't enough, Omnihil backs this cable with an incredible 5-year free replacement warranty. 5 years for a cable. That speaks volumes about the manufacturer's confidence in their product's durability and performance. It essentially guarantees a long-term, worry-free experience, making it an exceptionally smart investment. While it is a third-party, non-OEM part, this warranty, combined with the built-in protections, positions it as a highly reliable and cost-effective alternative to an original manufacturer's cable. It's also worth noting that this cable does not contain any alkaline, nickel, NiMH, or lithium-ion batteries, clarifying its role purely as a data and power conduit. In summary, the Omnihil 8FT White 2 USB data cable offers an excellent blend of convenience, safety, and value for Fujitsu ScanSnap S1300i users. Its extended length provides unparalleled flexibility, the high-speed data transfer ensures efficiency, and the comprehensive protection features, coupled with an outstanding 5-year warranty, make it a remarkably secure and dependable choice. If you're looking to upgrade your scanner's connectivity with a reliable, long-lasting, and protected cable, this Omnihil option certainly deserves your consideration.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.